Are you currently trying to build your Instagram and you have these beautiful photos, you're trying to build up more followers to get free brand deals and all this stuff, but you just don't know what to write for your captions? Well, stay tuned. Let me show you the top 10 AI websites that you can use and do for all sorts of things, but one of them is the Instagram one. So let's get started. The first one is called Infinity AI, and you can totally do this. It looks like this when you log on. I'll leave the link down below for you to try later. So basically what it is it generates videos for you. So you could clone yourself and have yourself talk in the video, or you can have Elon Musk. So let's click on the website and let me show you. It looks like this. And when you go in, it has all these example videos. So let's just click on this.
Lena, I'm glad you decided to seek professional help. I am Jason, your AI therapist.
Thanks for seeing me on such short notice. It's just people.
So you can clone people's faces. And if you look at, say, my project here, I made Oprah talk. It's not perfected to the T yet, but I'm sure you can keep playing with it and remix it and it'll look better. But I didn't have time for that. So let me show you.
When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor.
Like, you can tell her face is kind of distorted, but if you keep remixing this, then it will look better.
When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor.
Like, he looks better. So try this out and let me know what you guys think. You do get free credits and you have to pay after, but if you keep remixing this, like I remixed this guy 3 times and his mouth was better, but Oprah I didn't. So I just wanted to show you guys. The second website is called Sona AI, and this is a free SEO tool. So if you have a blog, this is perfect, or a website that you're selling online merchandise to, like Shopify or something, this is perfect. So you would put in your website link here and then click check. So I don't have a website link, so I'm just gonna go copy this because I don't have a store, and then I'm just going to input that and let's just check it. Then you click check, and then you just sit there and you wait, and it'll show you the score of the website and what can be improved. They do have, this is all free, and it shows that the score is 21%. And then it says optimize description. So if you click on it, it'll tell you what to do for each one. And these are all free details. Currently, this is free. So check this out if you have a website and you want to SEO everything on your website to make it better, so you get more traffic. This next one is called Sua AI. So this one is AI generated. You can make ads for Facebook. Let me show you what all it's a copywriter website, but let me show you what it does. It writes blog outlines. It does features to benefits, email writers. It does personal bios, cold emails, essay paragraphs, helps you with blog topics, all these things here, email subject lines, all these things, and it writes everything out for you. So check this out. How cool is that? So if you look at the video here, this is what the input section is, and then you just click Ask AI and it'll do it for you. So check this one out too. The next one I want to show you, for all the Bitcoin lovers out there that are into Bitcoin, that's trading or doing Ethereum and all, and Bitcoin and all those other altcoins and all that, this is a website for you. It's called chaingpt.org, and you can train your AI to trade Bitcoin for you. I don't personally trade Bitcoin, but I came across this website, so I thought I'd share with anyone that is in the Bitcoin blockchain market and all that, and they're into this, to look at this website. It's pretty cool. The next one I want to show you guys is called VenturesAI. And so it gives you feedback on your business. So you can get started, like write a business idea, and they use ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 to generate an analyze of your business idea and give you feedback on how to make it successful. So now I'll give you an example. So I want to describe the idea in detail. I have an existing business with a website. So which one? Let's accept the cookie. So I don't have an idea. So let's say I want to start a craft box subscription. Okay. Name, report type standard. I don't have a name. Let's call the collective craft. Okay. Next, start a craft box business. Oh, you know what? Crafting. Whoops. Crafting box subscription for moms to buy for their kids. Okay, let's just go next and then generate. So now it's going to generate the report for me. So while we wait for that, I'll show you the next website that I found, and then we'll come back to this once it's generated. This one is text to video, and this one, all you have to do is just put in your email here, and then it's going to send you a link, which I clicked on the link, but it gives you 1 credit. So I just typed in a spiritual being, the chosen one, and I couldn't do another one, so I can't show you another one unless I pay for it. But these are the ones that they've generated. Let me just show you. That's a penguin. It's like 2-second videos. It's kind of like Pika Lab, but this one looks really fake. The man walking on the moon. So like some of these videos are like super realistic and nice. So if you're looking for something that you want a AI to generate videos, you can check this one out. The next one is called StartupA. Okay, this one I thought was really, really cool. So you get 25 credits when you sign in. And let me just go to the main page. So get started. So AI is going to ask you, what do you want to, what's your business idea? And they have all these ones that you can pick from. Banking, beauty. So I picked beauty earlier because I wanted to see what it was giving me. Cosmetics, crowdfunding, drones. Okay, let's do e-commerce. And then we're just not going to put anything here for optional instructions. And we're going to generate ideas. So now the AI is going to generate ideas for you in terms of e-commerce that you want to make money online. Okay, so it says personalized online shopping experience are becoming increasingly in demand with customers looking for effective ways to discover new products that match their unique preferences. Traditional e-commerce platforms often lack the ability to tailor product recommendations to individual tastes accordingly. So this frustration of not finding the right product easily through online shopping creates a significant opportunity in the e-commerce industry. By developing an e-commerce platform that utilizes advanced algorithms and machine learning to understand users' preferences, shopping history, and style, customers can enjoy a more personalized shopping experience. This platform would offer, product suggestions, personalized discounts, and a seamless shopping journey based on each user's specific preferences. And then it estimates that how much this industry makes about $6.2 billion by 2025, driven by increasing demands for customized shopping experiences, yada yada. Then it goes down to follow-up questions. Future vision: where might the startup be in 5 years? How can the startup idea scale? What are the steps to grow the business? So let's click on that. And then it tells you. And then you can click list on startup. Find co-founders and partners, build your team, accelerate your startup. And then your title, description, desired skills, and then you can post it. So it gives you all these ideas of what you can do, and you can get, you can click on more and generate solutions and all these things. So I thought it's really cool for anyone that's kind of stuck and not sure what they want to do, but they want to make some kind of money with AI. Check out this website. Now let's go back to VenturesAI. And so remember how I wanted to start the craft box, right? So the business idea involves starting a crafting box subscription service targeted towards moms to purchase for their kids. Each box would contain various crafting materials and instructions for different projects. So I just came up with that on the whims. So unique and engaging ways to promote creativity in children, convenient for busy parents who want to provide enriching activities for their kids. These are the strengths, and then they tell you the weaknesses. Competition with other crafting subscription services. So and so, seasonal, functional, in demand for crafting activities, opportunities, collaborations with popular children's brands or influencers, threat, economic downturn affecting disposable income for non-essential purchases, negative reviews or social media backlash impacting brand. So it tells you everything, like the pros, the cons, everything in between. And then government regulations on product safety standards, the tax policies, economics, social. So you can look at all these things that it gives you before you decide you want to start this business. Is it for you? And threats of substances, other forms of children's entertainment and activities, DIY craft projects from scratch, competitive, high. And then it has all these analytics and all these things you can read through. So it's pretty cool. And, it's something to think about if you're wanting to start something, but you're unsure and, you don't want to put so much money in. Then you can go read the stats about it and all the pros and cons that the AI has found online and given you the stats for it. So it's pretty cool. So now let's go to the next one. So we did StartupA. So this one is called Save Time on Long Videos, Get Key Ideas Instantly. So, a lot of times people send videos on YouTube for people to watch, whether it's documentaries or motivational speeches and stuff. And a lot of people don't have time to sit there for an hour, 2 hours to listen to it. So this website is called 85. Anyways, what it is, it summarizes the entire video for you. So you just put in the link, and this is what Joe Rogan and Elon Musk was talking about in his experience of his podcast number 1470. And over here on the right side, it breaks it down for you. There are key insights on what Elon's talking about, and then you just read through it. The entire video is summarized into just a few paragraphs right here. And you're done. That's the takeaway for this entire video. So I thought that was pretty cool for anyone that is just looking for a summarization of videos. Now the next one I want to show you, this one's called AI Caption Generation for busy social media managers. So this one I thought was really, really cool. So what you do is basically, so for Instagram, for all the people that love to post on Instagram, make your page super aesthetic and beautiful. But then I always find in my captions, I don't know what to write. So I have a food thing on Instagram, and I, every time I eat somewhere, I post stuff about food. But I'm always my description is just so blah. I'm sure nobody wants to read it. I have 53 followers. It's super sad. But I don't spend time on my description, and I don't know what to write. So I just say, I ate here. Food was good, service is meh, price, and I'm done. So it kind of it's not engaging. But now for this website, image2caption.ai, it writes it out for you. So can you believe that all these captions have been created with AI? So for example, this pizza photo that they have. Nothing beats the smell of fresh pizza straight out of the oven. Our pizza oven is working hard to cook up some delicious pies. Who else loves a good slice of pizza? And then it has all the hashtags for you here. How cool is that? A blogger feeling pretty in pink. This wall is so nice. So all you do is upload your image to the site, and it creates the entire description for you. There is actually a fee. It's you can get started for free, but they do charge you. So I'm just gonna okay, so you get 2 months for free if you pay monthly, but their basic monthly subscription is $10, which isn't too bad. Every additional 10 credits for $5. So you get 20 credits a month. Max video size is 500 MB. Max video length is 30 seconds. Max characters is 50. Access to knowledge base and support, standard support. So this is how much they charge. But like, you know, if you're serious about Instagram and this is what you want to do and you want to make money and have all these free brand deals and all that stuff, then I would pay for this instead of sitting there trying to, you know, think about what caption you're going to write based on the photo that you took that is so nice and you edited and everything, and then you just stuck, because I'm always stuck. But maybe it's just me. And so the last one I want to show you guys is this. So if you guys don't recall, a few months ago, or maybe 6 months ago, there was this whole big thing on Instagram about these AI influencers, and they were making they had like millions of followers and they're making all this crazy money, they claim, posting AI images of girls that are not real. And people would follow them. And anyway, so then this person came up with this brilliant idea that started Glambase.app. So basically, it's expensive. It's not cheap. Their current price right now is $337 pre-order early access. And what this site is about is, look, it creates AI influencers for you, for Instagram, for TikTok. And this is what they look like. They look gorgeous, like they're beautiful. So you design your character after paying for it. You design your character, you know, the makeup, the name, the eyes, all these things, and you generate the content. And look, how cool is that? It's all the same girl. It looks so real. And then you just make profit. Your influencer will do it by themselves while you're not around, chatting and selling exclusive content so you don't have to. So this AI site, okay, so I see why they're charging a lot. It's engaging with customers in private messages too. Look, hey, can you really do that? Like, that's crazy. And then you can share your digital persona across social media platforms, online communities, or wherever potential fans hang out. And then watch your earnings climb, they claim. You can make tons of money. Become one of the first to own a virtual influencer on Glambase. So their next price is going up to $338. It's at $336, and now it's at $337. So this is I'm assuming this is a number of people that have bought it. So it probably started at $1 maybe, because every time someone buys it, it goes up from what it looks like. But I could be wrong. Exclusive perks for our first 1,000 users. You get unique badge and number, private Discord server access, priority access to new features, exclusive rewards. So this could be like, I don't know, it could be a thing. It could be something real big, or it could be, you know, a flop. But like, if you look through the photos, it looks pretty legit, and everyone looks real, except for this guy looks kind of creepy. But all the girls look really good. And honestly, like, this is what gets me, not the designing the character, but it generates the content for you, which is cool. But the private messaging to people that message them, like, they're chatting with them. You don't have to do anything. That's just wild. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these 10 AI sites that I found for you guys. And I hope you guys check them out. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried any of them and what you guys think of them. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.